Hello, welcome back to Path to Wellness with Miriam. It's Wednesday, the day before I go grocery shopping, and I thought I would just share how I meal plan. So the first thing I like to do is open up my fridge and freezer and my pantry and see what items I need. Okay, so here's my freezer. Give you a quick rundown. I have frozen zucchini from last fall in here. Already bagged up, it's grated, ready to make zucchini bread. I have a couple of jars of homemade spaghetti sauce. These are some egg rolls that my husband bought a while back. We should actually probably eat them up before they go bad. I have a little bit of cauliflower here. Here's some bones and veggie scraps to make bone broth. I have some leftover bread crusts to make French toast with. More cauliflower. Here's in the back I have a bunch of squash. This is I think all like pumpkin and squash like that for baking with. Here's some cans of beans, black beans that I've made. I have some breakfast sausage back here. I have my raspberries, green beans, peas, and behind here I have 2 steaks, some stewing beef, and a roast. So that's what's in my freezer. Okay, so in my fridge I have butter, a whole bunch of odds and ends of condiments. I'm not going to go through all these, in the door, and juice. And this that I bought, I think it tastes pretty good. I don't think it's as healthy as making my own, so I don't know if I would buy that again. But here. And we're liking this salsa right now. We didn't really like the mango salsa. I felt like it would taste better if it was fresh and if it was a little spicier. Maybe had some stuff. So here on the top shelf, I just have a few eggs left, so I'll need more of that. I have the butter plus the butter in the door, so I might get away with not buying butter. We'll see. I have sauerkraut, extra sauerkraut brine. We're gonna eat this tonight. Wednesday night. I have a big thing of garlic, some onion, hamburger buns for tonight's meal. I have some tortillas, so we're probably good with that. Some yogurt, ketchup, peanut butter, and jelly. And that's my old kombucha SCOBY, but I haven't been making kombucha. Maybe this summer I will. Some old apples that need to be eaten up. I think I will, 2 of them, I think I will bake something with them. So that's it in the fridge. Okay, here's my pantry. I have this really deep, narrow pantry here, or cupboard that we're using as our pantry. It's kind of annoying. I wish the cupboard door was, I wish it was the opposite way. But anyway, I have my big huge bag of flour. I didn't realize when I bought it 2 weeks ago that it actually is bleached flour, so I will definitely be looking for an organic non-bleach next time. I have some crackers, some different snacks and stuff that I keep up high. Some extra stuff. My protein powders are way back there. I'm not going to show you everything. But here I have pasta back here behind the coffee. I have my store of ketchup that I got on sale. My jar of flour, sugar, I have extra peanut butter. Back there, extra chocolate chips, coffee beans. Here I keep tomato, so I'm good on tomato sauce. Extra barbecue sauce. Here I have these sorted supplements and things here. Tea, hot chocolate. I have a little bit of chocolate here. I have like a few ginger candies and stuff back there. Down here I have raisins and nuts here. In the second bin I have cornstarch and other baking stuff, and then some lentils, some extra cocoa powder and stuff back there. Down here I have potatoes And some stuffing down there. And then these are extra just bags used for trash and stuff. So that's it with the pantry. So now that I know what's in my pantry and what's in my fridge and freezer, I like to come up with ideas of what I want to eat. Sometimes I really try to utilize what's in my pantry. Sometimes I just like to have certain things on stock. Like, for example, the tomato sauce, I'm not necessarily going to try to use up that tomato sauce. I'm not going to necessarily try to use up the frozen jars of spaghetti sauce or the beans necessarily. I might use the beans this coming Friday for Lent, for some good protein to eat. I might let my husband cook up some of the steak, depending on what he wants to cook over the weekend. He usually takes Saturday and Sunday to cook. So anyway, I will basically spend the rest of today thinking about what meals I want to cook, and then my husband and I will choose our meals tonight, and then we'll come up with a shopping list and go shopping. So I will see you tomorrow with the grocery haul and our meal plan. My menu plan is today, Thursday, to have a rotisserie chicken, and then on Friday, tomorrow, we're going to have bean and cheese burritos, and I'm going to be using the beans in the freezer. For Saturday, my husband's and I will make pizza together, and then Sunday he's going to be making a Chinese meal with a round roast. Let's see, Monday I'm going to be making chicken burritos with more of the rotisserie chicken. On Tuesday, I'm going to be making pasta with chicken and marinara sauce using whatever's left of the chicken. And then on Wednesday, I'm going to be making hamburgers, and I will make my own hamburger buns. So here's an overview of my Costco haul. I just went to Costco this week, no other place. I spent $147.31. It was all on food. Most of this stuff will last us 2 weeks, hopefully. So I tried this as a sample, I think a couple weeks ago, uncured pepperoni. So we're going to use this on our pizza, and it might be enough, I'm hoping, for 2 weeks. So for next week's pizza as well. I'll be making my own pizza dough. Ground beef, we're only using one of these for hamburgers this week, so the other two will go in the freezer. The rotisserie chicken, as I mentioned, will be featured in tonight's meal plus 2 more meals, so that'll be good. I have the cage-free eggs. I've got a triple berry blend. Berries, these are organic, as well as the sweet corn. I like adding these to my burritos. I got a big, huge sack of onions. We like eating a lot of onions. I saw pears there, organic pears, and they were even cheaper than the organic apples. The pears were, I think, $1.30 per pound, and the apples $1.40 per pound. So I'm excited about that. This fruit will definitely last us more than 1 week. Hopefully 3 weeks. I got the romaine hearts. I've noticed this lasts us about 2 weeks when we get it. These are organic as well. Got a bag of avocados. I'm excited about that. And last time this bag lasted longer. Sometimes I like eating an avocado per day, but sometimes it's nice to just kind of stretch them out into a couple weeks. Over here, we really like this organic salsa. My husband came shopping with me and picked out this coffee. And he also picked out the bagels. And at Costco, it's buy one, get one free, basically all the time. Like, you pick out 2 of them, the price is for both. We got a big thing of tortilla chips. We like snacking on these. I love them with guacamole and with salsa. Here's some olives. I love these Lindsay Naturals because they only have sea salt and water and olives and nothing else. So they don't have citric acid or other stuff. They don't have They're really clean, so I like that. Got the organic tomato paste. We like using this in our tomato sauces, like our pizza sauce. We already have tomato sauce in our pantry. I got some more butter, and I got a big thing of Tillamook cheese. So this is only dairy I'm getting this week. I'm trying to cut back on dairy, and of course I love butter, so I'll keep that in, and I will eat only a minimum amount of cheese, and the cheese is mostly for my family and will hopefully last more than 1 week, of course. So here's my overview, and this is what I got at Costco, and I hope you enjoy this video and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you soon. Goodbye.